Dear students, today we will discuss about the applications of Pajan's rules through different examples. Very first example, sodium bromide has melting point of 755 degree centigrade, but MgBr2 has 700, means lesser melting point. Why it is so? Now see here, in sodium bromide, Na plus is the cation, and in MgBr2, Mg2 plus is the cation. Now which cation is having more charge or more powerful? Naturally Mg2 plus. Therefore Mg2 plus will polarize the anion to a greater extent according to first rule, Pajan's rule number 1. Therefore as MgBr2, in MgBr2, Mg2 plus will polarize to a greater extent. Therefore, more covalent characters will be imparted or induced in MgBr2. Because it is powerful, having higher charge, therefore, more covalent characters will be there in MgBr2. And as it is covalent in nature, its melting point will be lesser. This is the reason why MgBr2 has smaller or lesser melting point. Now second example we will discuss. This type of examples are also asked. Silver fluoride, that is AgF, is soluble in water, but AgCl is not soluble. Why it is so? This example can also be solved on the basis of Pajan's rule. See here, in AgF, now fluoride is the anion because cation is same, Ag cation is same. Fluoride is the anion which is smaller in size. But in AgCl, chloride is the anion which is bigger in size. And we know that according to Pajan's rule number 2, if the anion is bigger, it will be polarized easily. Therefore, in AgCl, silver cation, that is Ag cation, will polarize chloride anion to a greater extent. Right? And therefore, more covalent characters will be induced in AgCl. Means AgCl will become slightly covalent. And you know that the covalent compounds are insoluble in water because water is polar. But in AgF, covalent characters will not be imparted, and therefore AgF will be polar in nature. And as AgCl will be more covalent, it will be insoluble in water. And AgF, being polar compound, will be soluble in water. This is the second type of example. Now another example we will see. All these examples are based on Pajan's rule. Third example, similar, BeCl2 has melting point 405, but calcium chloride has melting point 772, very high. Why it is so? The reason is, in BeCl2, beryllium is the cation which is smaller in size, but in calcium chloride, Ca2 plus is the cation which is bigger in size. We know that according to first rule of Pajan's, smaller cations will polarize anion to a greater extent, and therefore in BeCl2, Be2 plus will polarize anion, that is chloride, to greater extent. Therefore more covalent characters will be imparted or induced in BeCl2. Means BeCl2 will be covalent in nature. But due to Pajan's rule, due to smaller size, covalent characters will be imparted and therefore its melting point will be low. But in calcium chloride, it will be polar in nature because calcium is bigger in size, it will not polarize, and therefore it will behave as a ionic compound and therefore melting point is high, as ionic compounds have higher melting point. This is the reason why BeCl2 has a lower melting point than calcium chloride. These are the applications of Pajan's rules.